guys, I'm gonna do my nails.
That you talk to you and make you understand. All you have to do is close your eyes and just reach out your hands and touch me. Hold me close, don't ever let me go. More than words is all I ever needed you to show. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me. 'Cause I already more than words to show you, please.
Get ready with me
That
to do my
your
nails.
love for me is real. If I took then you couldn't make it still. Just by saying I love you. La-di-da, 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 la-di-da.
Okay guys, time to with nail. Ma, can you open?
La-di-da, la-di-da, la-da.
It's time. Just kidding guys.
No down payment, sisi ko, hindi mo kami nagpa-process ng walang down. Down payment, then zero di balance mo kami. Down payment ko, depende sa profile mo.
Okay guys.
Ay, ma'am, hindi namin kasalanan, ma'am. Kapag
Kaya mo na,
kasi syempre, hindi naman po pare-parehas ang depende po yan sa
Baging
paggamit.
tulad ko
Ako
dito.
nga, ma'am, regular sa
Bago nga bago.
Ang paper clip mo, ma'am, medyo makapal yan para maputol agad. Ngayon, ma'am, kasi depende rin yan. Sumabit sa buhok, nahiklap, natamaan mo, o kaya nahatak mo. Diba? Kapag ganyan po,
Okay, guys.
ingatan din natin.
Just gonna do it real quick. I'm sorry for not speaking.
Tanong mo, nandiyan mama ko. Regular
Yeah,
tao ko
you're-
pa dalawa.
oh.
May dancing shade pa ako. Mga lightweight yan, ha. Pero ilang taon na yan. Simula nag-umpisa ang Belen Ben, ma'am. Hindi pa Belen Ben ang pangalan namin. May mga lightweight na ako. Regular tao ko.
No, it's not
dancing shade.
seeable.
Pero hanggang ngayon, nasa bayo ko nagagamit ko pa. Pinagdidailing ko pa nga yung red shade. Depende kasi yan, ma'am, sa gumagamit din. Opo. Kapag ganyan, ma'am, try mo po mahinaw. Try mo po mahinaw po kapag ganyan, besh.
Lie awake and watch her sleeping.
Siyempre po, ma'am, kanina pa po kami nagpa-text ng ring. Magpa-text pa po kami.
She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn on the lights. Lay there
Pag
in
wala
the
po talagang
dark.
down, hindi talaga kami nagpa-process. Pag ayaw niyo mag-down, ma'am, huwag na po kayo
The
mag-mind.
thought
Kasi
crosses
kailangan
my
po talaga
mind.
down. Okay? Ngayon, ma'am,
I
down
never
payment,
wake in the
Siyempre po, kapag study balance yung
morning.
rider, huwag na po kayo magbabayad. Kapag nilipin na po yan.
Would you ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart?
Ma'am G, low na rating, 2,300
If tomorrow never comes, would she know how much I love her.
Now the 5 are done.
Show her every day. She's my only love. Make my time on earth worth
Next is Dada Hill.
she must face this world without me.
May diet sheet or
It's the
wala
love I give her in the back.
May diet sheet or
Gonna
wala
be enough to last.
Pensasyon din naman yung mga
Tomorrow never comes.
May diet
Cause I
sheet
lost
or
loved
wala
ones in my life.
presyo. Eto mag diet sheet.
Never knew how much I loved them.
Diamond sheet.
Dahil mo mong lyrics na yan.
Ma'am, hindi ko po kayo nagigets. Good PM po, kakapasok ko. How much po yung maliit na loan na
Tomorrow
ikaw?
never comes
Shopee,
na
ma'am.
sa akin.
Shopee po. Paulit po ako ng Shopee.
Tomorrow.
Because you know how much I love
Kahit
her.
i-up mo yan, hindi ka ta masasagot. Kasi Shopee po yung tanong mo sa akin.
Tapos,
Pwede po ma'am,
face the world without me.
pare-type po.
Papa, ano naman pa
Pwede
pagdami?
pare-type po. Shopee ma'am eh.
I
Shopee.
live in regret. My feelings were never again. Made a promise to myself. This each day how much you means to me. And a boy like circumstance who there's no second chance to tell her how I feel.
Take lang.
If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I love her? Did I try in every way? Show her every day. She's my only one. I make my time on earth worth
Oh my gosh, that's good.
and she must face this world without me. It's the love I give her in the past. Gonna be enough to last. Tomorrow never comes. Tell that someone that you love is what you're thinking of. Tomorrow never comes. Love you
May
guys.
diamond shape, huwag nyo na akong RThan sa 799. Diyos ko, totoong ginto po ito ha. Totoong ginto, 18K gold settings yan, Beshi. May
Ano,
diamond
nagitara
shape pa
lang
po
na?
yan.
Oo.
Diyos ko naman,
Mama,
799. 1899 with the regular
Duga pa lang, di mo din.
magkano po ang dalas nyo? 400 sa isang set. Palagay na lang ako ng kulay mga beshi ko. Palagay na lang ako ng kulay mga madam. Ma'am Vian, paki-screenshot Ma'am Eyaro. Palagay po ako kung anong kulay.
If you're not
Okay, palagay
then
din
I
ako kung
just
heart o kaya.
feel glad today.
Opo, mamaya
You're not
palagay lang ako. Tapos
then
po
what
na.
does my head
Regular tao po,
feel
18 inches po yan.
this way?
Okay, last hand.
You're not mine, then what does your
I
heart
mean finger.
Regular
Oh
tao
my
po,
God.
18 inches po.
If you're not mine, so what I have strength to stand.
Walang
And
nakalagay.
oh,
Ano?
you never know what the
Hindi naman po
future
talaga
is.
sir, saglit lang po. Katulad ng hapon. Iba pa, para nag-text ko. Saglit lang po ha. Tapusin ko na.
One night shift.
I'm done, guys.
Sa bottle. Para i-check ko.
Okay na na.
Ma'am Chris Joy, kulay ko ha.
Sorry, pati yung wala mo na sulat.
Aliyo!
Ah, salat din lang yung ilaw. Ah, malipatan kami ko. Oh, di ba sulat ng patayo? Di ba sa loob mo yun?
Sabi ko sa inyo, Diyos ko sana naman makakabili may diamond chip sa Binoting 99 nyo lang nabili. Baka may tester ka dyan ng gold pala. Bakit po anong kailangan
All
natin
my
i-test?
bags
Ma'am,
ready
Ma'am
to
Maricel, paki-screenshot. Di po
stand
kami dito. Kung gusto niyo po pumunta po kayo sa mga gumagawa po ng dito.
I hate to make you love,
Ma'am Jo, hindi po kami nagbebenta ng
say
tester. Ma'am
goodbye.
Joan, paki-screenshot ako ma'am. Ma'am Eliaro, Ma'am Maricel, paki-screenshot ako ma'am.
Don't break me.
Okay, Ma'am Joan, paki-screenshot. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's just wait till this is
Ma'am Irene, ayun na.
Going is on.
Ma'am Irene.
till this is done. This is not wet.
Wala po.
My
Ma'am Tingman, wala po akong pinakakilip.
so kiss
Kaya
me.
may pag-serve. Kaya mali-mali. 1, 2, 3.
Tell me that you
Actually, I'm not prepping. I just do this. I tell him. Ako na naman pa.
Ay ma'am, sa pink po wala pong diet chip yung pink ko. Sorry ma'am, dito sa pink meron po, pero walang diet chip po ito. Kung okay lang sa inyo. Oo. Kung okay lang naman po, pasensya.
Ang sarap.
Kung okay lang. Ma'am, kung okay lang naman sa inyo. Wala pong diet chip po yung pink. Oo ha. Meron po ako mabibigay na pink, pero walang diet chip. Kung okay lang.
Direkta na sa YouTube yung sa
Huwag pa lang mata. Oo. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am Tikman, paki-screenshot ako, Ma'am Tikman. Thank you po. Paki-screenshot. Huwag mo na iba yung Asbeli. Marami ako dito Asbeli. Mas maganda. Hirap na nga lang kami. Ito, bumili
Kuya, ginaway mo.
Asbeli, magaganda. Okay, size 8. Tignan ko muna kung meron po. Ma'am David, paki-screenshot ako, Ma'am David. Ma'am David, nag-mail po ngayon. Yung gamit dito po yan. Nadadala sa LBC. Pwede po. Ma'am David, paki-screenshot pa na nagamit na po. Ayan. Ma'am David, paki-screenshot ako, Ma'am David. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am Joanna Martin, wala na po sold out.
It's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. Yeah, if you want the sweet, I'll let you know. If you want the spice, I can turn the heat up.
Nataasin mo White House na sakto na mo R and Y mo lang na saka mo na oh.
Yung tinatanong sa akin, yung muna benta na rin ang sold out.
Ang hands mo naman. See? Sarap. Na dire ka lang din ng hands mo. Thank you, God. Problem mo.
Ay, mura ako sa roast.
It's your birthday on repeat, birthday on repeat. Yeah, if you want the sweet, let the sugar on up. If you want the spice, I can turn the heat up. Baby, I'm good,
Napapagod nila.
Good ba? Kami agila.
Meron po kami room na 20.
Sticky, sticky, sweet, thirsty as you know.
Okay, mga pag-screenshot ko sa
Ha?
enjoy next item na pagkakasin. 1, 2, 3, 1,
Wala pa.
Naku, mas napalira. Napakahina na yung
Ah, yan. Di nga dako. May di pa nga dako. May batang tayo ito nga. May wow. Maniyo. Tupod mo mano.
Camellia pendant, wala na po.
Na
Camellia pendant, wala na po. 2,750 ma'am, matte loop, 2,750. Matte
Ah,
loop,
very good.
2,750 po. Butterfly size 8. Tignan ko po kung meron. Wait lang, saglit lang. Asan ba yung listahan ko? Butterfly. Wala na po. Ay, ano size? Pero pwede pahiram ako ng size.
Una ha. Dali ka naman sa next.
Size 8. Sir, size 8 po. Sir, nasa hanggang size 8. Butterfly.
I just don't want to
Sir JR.
Wind up. Sige, okay lang ah. Labotagin sa babaw.
So I'm gonna recognize it's the last night, like it's the last night.
Dali ka na itong ako. Layo. Eh, saan mo? Layo. Dapat magpato. Dirisa. Dirisa na yun. Hindi layo oh. Dapat tara. Lapitan mo sa sae. Lapitan sa sae. Hindi ba lapitan? Labotagin sa ere. Sige lang. Tadlungan ka lang diba? Deep S pa. Pag-ingat ako. Di pa nga ako. Oh, di ba? Wak na. Top Leo. Lapitan na yun.
Wala pong station
Padali.
wala po.
Labotagin sa rin. Labotagin sa rin.
Ang available.
Very good.
1,700. Wala
Extra dali naman.
Sold out na po. Sold out. Sold out na po. Sold out. Thank you po, Ma'am Gina, Sir Brian, Sir JR, Ma'am Lara. Sold out. Ano po ba yung square earrings na tinatanong nyo sa akin?
Sa
Ano po
atin!
kayo mag-gets doon sa square earrings? Ano po yung sold out? butterfly, madam. Twin butterfly.
Ba?
Wala akong maalala kung na ano, na square
Very good ah.
earrings mo.
Sige tapos ah.
Twin butterfly. Ayan. Twin butterfly
I'm a
girl.
stranger to the dark. They say there's no one to open the bar.
Reynans Mendoza.
To be ashamed of all my scars.
7,350 pesos size 9 lang.
Love you as
Size
you
9.
are.
Ma'am, wala na po
I
kayo.
won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us.
Yung kanina pa po pinag-flex ko
Where
lang.
we are glorious.
7,350 size 9 na lang po.
The sharp's words would have got me down.
Wala po. Yung
There's sound of flood that are drowning out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who meant to be. This is me. God is here I come.
ano po, 2,800.
And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me. Reaching for some, yeah, that's what we do. I know that there's a place for us. But we are glorious. But the sharpest words would have got me down. Gonna send the flood with drowned out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. God is here I love. And I'm marching on to be a drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me.
Ha? Very good ah.
The sharpest words would have got me down. I'm gonna send the flood that are drowning out. This is burn, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look at this here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me. This is me. Yay! Tapos ko na! Assignment ko!
Very good. Bata na mo ba?
Tapos ko na yung assignment ko.
Dan.
Oh, tapos ako na yan.
Na?
Tapos na? Dana?
I'm gonna do it myself.
Oh. Ay, may utot na.
Okay, can I just say something crazy?
Yeah.
I love crazy.
Yeah.
All my life has been a series of thoughts in my face. And then suddenly I bumped into you. I was thinking the same thing, cause I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue. But with you, I found my place. I see your face. And it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love's an open door. Love's an open door. Love's an open door. With you, with you, with you, with you. Love's an open door. It's crazy what we finish each other's sandwiches. That's what I was gonna say. I've been friends with someone who thinks so much like me. Jinx, jinx again. I'm not that I don't know. But don't have no explanation. You and I were meant just to be. Say goodbye, say goodbye to the pain of the past. We don't have to be. Oh, love's an open door. Love's an open door. Love's an open door. With you, with you, with you, with you. Love's an open door. Can I say something crazy?
Yeah.
Will you marry me? Can I say something even crazier? Yes!
Ako tanong. Ako to ya. Pero
La 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 la. I hope that's romantic all my life, surrounded by couples all the time. I guess I should take it as a sign. Oh why, I'm feeling lonely. Oh, I wish I found a lover that could hold me. Now I'm crying in my room, so skeptical, but still I want more. like and subscribe. Bye. Like and subscribe, guys. Tita? Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. Subscribe! And subscribe. And subscribe to Jillian's second channel. Okay, guys? Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna play Roblox now. Never mind. If you want to search my Roblox account, my Roblox account is Jillian. How you spell Jillian is Jillian. No spaces, okay? 4 3s and 1 6, okay? Bye, guys. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you, guys. We love you.